Hi Carly, I'm going to kind of take you through the online class so you can see how it's set up and see the expectations that I have for the students and then for you specifically in order to get caught up. So right now, this is what the Schoology group looks like, so hopefully you have access to that. These are all buttons that you can press and they have links. So this is just a link to my email address. It's not a link to actually emailing me. This is our Google Meet information, so these are optional. I have them on Tuesdays and Fridays from 10:30 until 11, and you just go to meet.google.com and use the code geometryhelp. Again, those are optional. Those are just question and answer sessions. So if you have questions, you'll want to jump on those to ask those questions. Two apps that you may use. If you ever need a one-on-one conference with me, you would click on this. I would want for you to join the question and answer sessions before you would ask for a one-on-one session. So if we didn't cover enough in the question and answer sessions, then fill this form out and I can get back to you and we can do a one-on-one. Online book. Okay, so these are links to the units down below, or you can scroll. So right now we are actually in Unit 7. I think when you transferred out of Mr. Kry's class, you guys were in the radical unit, the mini radical unit. So hopefully you got some information on that. You can go back, and I do have videos from that unit. So it's this mini radical unit. So if you click in there and click in the folder, there will be some videos and information if you need to ever go back and get more information. So we are in Unit 7, like I said, and yes, you are correct. So all my stuff is due on Wednesday. So I open up a folder on Wednesday around noon, and it gives you all your work for that entire week. So for instance, last week, this one's going to be due tomorrow by noon. But at the top of every folder, I do a what to do this week, and I recommend that you print that off. And then once you've printed that off, it kind of gives you an idea of what you have to do that entire week. And then you can just go in order and complete everything, and then cross it off as you complete it. So it's a good visual for you. But essentially, I will create a video for the lessons, and then there will be a homework or sometimes 2 homework assignments that go along with that, and it's in order. So here's the video notes, here's the homework assignment that goes with that. Video notes, 2 homework assignments that go with that. Video notes, 2 homework assignments. And then on Wednesday, there will be a quiz. So obviously, I'm not going to have you take that. You will take that later. I do want for you to take that. So this is where we are. We're kind of in the middle of Unit 7, and then tomorrow I'll open up the next folder for the next week. At the top of the main folder for the unit, I put the notes and the supplemental sheets, so you'll need to print those off. If you ever need me to print those off and leave them at the front desk, I just need for you to email me. So these are all the notes, and we do worksheets in here, and then I have you put your answers into Schoology. So what I would actually like for you to do is I would actually like for you to start at week 9. Don't worry about this ACT review, but start with 7.1. Start with 7.1. There's only 7.1, 7.1b, and then the notes that go with this. So actually, I'm going to put the notes above those. So watch the notes and then complete these 2 homework assignments. Again, my notes follow that note packet that I have right here that you'll need to print off. And then, again, we're in week 10 right now, and everything's due tomorrow. I don't expect for you to get everything done by tomorrow, but I would like for you to make a goal of maybe by next Wednesday or next Friday, you have most everything done in Unit 7 and you're almost caught up. It's going to be a lot of work at first, but if you get caught up quicker, it's going to be less work down the road. So again, there is video notes, and then the homework assignment, video notes, 2 homework assignments, video notes, 2 homework assignments, and the quiz. And then you don't need to take this quiz until you are ready for it once you've done 7.1 through 7.4. I'm trying to think of anything else. If you ever have any questions, feel free to email me. Oh, grades. I will transfer grades over every Wednesday in the afternoon. So since everything's due on Wednesday around noon typically, if you have not turned an assignment in and I transfer it over in PowerSchool, I will not transfer grades again in PowerSchool till the following Wednesday. So you can make up assignments in a unit that we're in until we take the test. So let's say you didn't turn something in on Wednesday at noon. I transferred grades around 2 o'clock on Wednesday. You complete it on Friday. It's completed, so that's good. We're still in the unit. I won't transfer it to PowerSchool until the next Wednesday. And again, you can complete anything within a unit until we take the unit test. The moment we take the unit test, all late work is no longer accepted. So it'll stay as a 0 in PowerSchool. So you can check out your grade book here, or your PowerSchool grade book. I will transfer, once I get your transfer grades, I will put those in as your average grade in every assignment that we've already done, except for the Unit 7 assignments, which is where I want you to pick up. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.